pwede palang makakuha ng bagong truck at sasakyan ang mga kapwa nating Pilipino na akala nila'y hindi pwede. So, just a little bit about Global Dominion Finance. No? So maybe some of the people here to see, but who is this financing company? No? You may be seeing our yellow and blue billboards, no, around the area. Kasalanan po yan ng aming home speed. No? And maybe they will pop up more sometimes, no, in your Facebook feeds and social media. And our campaign in the last few months, no, was called #PwedePala. And if there's one thing I learned, no, so some of you might be asking, what is a marketer, no, Youth awardee, formerly in the beauty business, doing in a financing company? And one thing I discovered is we disrupt. No? And another thing is, we need more marketing people in the finance industry. No? For one, just to let more people know that there are services like us. And yun na nga, no, as we say in GDFI, #PwedePala. Pwede palang maka-access ng credit, pwede palang makakuha ng bagong truck at sasakyan ang mga kapwa nating Pilipino na akala nila'y hindi pwede. That is our mission.